razors and also some toothbrushes, but they also want more of those items to be available to them.
Mission firefighters are back out on the side of a major bee attack. A Good Samaritan helped rescue a man from a swarm of attacking bees near an abandoned trailer on Diosa Street yesterday. Chief Rick Saldana to the scene to see if they can remove the hive.
Back in across the valley today, temperatures a little bit warmer than yesterday, upper 70s, a few places below 80s, but again, clouds are thick. Tomorrow the clouds are with us as well. Pick up, and that should be with us all the way into the weekend. Close look at your first 1 5 forecast is coming up in a few minutes.
North Korea threatening to launch a nuclear attacks against the United States. The country's response to an increase in the UN sanctions. North Korea has continually talked about nuclear bombings. Officials say the missiles are simply not capable of reaching the United States.
All right, this coming in just before news time. The Senate confirming John Brennan as CIA director this afternoon. The vote came after Attorney General Eric Holder said there are limits on a president's ability to order drone strikes on American soil. The issue led to a nearly 13-hour debate over the nomination. The Obama administration now clarified its policy on military drones targeted against suspected American terrorists. Officials say President Obama cannot use a drone to kill U.S. citizens on American soil unless engaged in combat.